You know, they do make grape presses nowadays. Well, at least this way we can say you put your foot in it. Now add gummy worms to the juice and stir until you can't stir no more. Look at that! The stick doubles as a lollipop stick. Take a bite. Time for a fun day down at the farm. Sort of. This little piggy can help us separate our eggs. And look adorable while doing it too. How about we make a trade with our friendly neighborhood vampire? You know, garlic is really powerful stuff. It gives you the power to separate eggs right at your fingertips. An apple.
What?
How about we give it a nice peel first? And we have the perfect machine to do just that. Just give it a twirl and the skin's practically gone. Judging by all these apples, I guess it's kind of addicting. Still, we shouldn't let all these delicious peels go to waste. Now let's see, what can we do with these potatoes? But who needs a special machine when you've got power tools? Just stick the tater on the drill, keep the peeler close, and go. That was quick. Who wants French fries? You could eat your hot dog all at once, but where's the fun in that? This wiener dog will help you get bite-sized pieces. Puppy approved. Not that we needed a second opinion. Hey, what's wrong? Oh, it's stuck between your teeth? Some floss should fix that. It's great at cutting up hot dogs, too. In every direction. Just use the unscented kind. Floss or string can make cooking them a little easier. Best of all, you can use it to make a necklace and always have snack close by. This miscellaneous tree sure is handy. Do you think it's got something to help us cut onions? Oh, look, it does! Seems simple enough. Put a chunk underneath and chop away. You can just pour it in your pan. But I guess we've got a lingering aroma. That's it. We'll cover your face with a pan lid. Just secure with your hood. And chop away. Careful with that knife. There's no such thing as too many potatoes. Think of all the chips. Add ketchup for flavor, a potato, and grind away. Do you think we can make corn into corn puffs? Careful now, vermicelli's a terrible thing to waste. Here's an idea. Tie them up to fry them up. Don't forget to season for flavor. Oh, this is a crime against dumplings. Try this mold. Place the dough and filling on top and press down. Just plop into a pot of boiling water to cook. Now for the taste test. Got your sauce ready? This glass could be useful in another way. Add little balls of meat to the dough and fold up. The glass will let you cut little circles out. And the only question left, should you boil or fry? Wow, these commercials are great! Uh-oh, you ate all the popcorn. Well, we can fix that with this popcorn maker.
Wow!
Time to pour in some kernels and watch the show. We've got enough popcorn for a matinee. Always wanted a popcorn bucket that doubles as a bathtub. Oh, look, there's a prize inside. Skittles. Let's add to a skillet. Pour on some more kernels. With a little bit of oil, it's time to get ready for some rainbow popcorn. Let's scoop them up. What's this new device? A burger maker. Just spray the bottom and add the bun. Plus onions, cheese, the patty, and close up. Spray this part and we can crack an egg on top. Cover it up with a bun. Add just a little more spritz. Remove this disc and it all falls into place. Still, there's no harm using tongs. Who would have guessed that chicken and eggs go so well together? Ew. Did you know that cucumbers help with bloating? And a potassium-rich tomato will make a perfect substitute bun. We can even keep the onions in chicken patty. A handy-dandy toothpick will keep things in place. Personally, I'd flip it over and eat it like a candied apple. Okay, let's see what we got here. Milk, flour, eggs, sugar, and what's this? A pancake machine? Just pour the ingredients. It even helps you measure. And it gives you a hand with blending everything together. Now for an easy release. These hotcakes sure look good. Stack them up. All we need now is the syrup. Uh-oh, we're out. The syrup seems so close, yet so far away. No, don't lick it. We've got a better idea. Wow. If we can't bring the syrup to the pancake, we'll bring the pancake to the syrup, so to speak. Mix in the bottle for chocolate pancakes. Of course, if you want to put chocolate syrup on chocolate pancakes, nobody's stopping you. Let me guess, they cooked them in the shell for flavor? Don't worry, this device will make peeling a day at the beach. But maybe this fork can do more than bringing food to your mouth. Just hook under the shell and peel away. Now you're ready for any seafood buffet. Buttered toast is so simple, yet so delicious. If only putting the butter on the toast wasn't so hard. Wow! Now it doesn't have to be. This device makes spreading butter as smooth as lipstick. You know, speaking of lipstick, let's try the original. What? Just clean it out and use it to scoop up some butter. Add a cover for some safekeeping. Now you can always have butter on the go. It helps to bring your own toast, too. Buttered toast is just too good to only eat at home. Yeah, watermelon! Let's slice it up. Oh, and we have a device. Kinda thought she was gonna do the whole thing by hand. Took some elbow grease, but it's cut. Oh, huggy wuggy! That's one really big toothpick you're using. Oh, it's a skewer.
Ouch!
Let's use a bunch to turn this melon into a hedgehog. Cut in between and you've got some slices on a stick. Kitchen-sational stuff. Catch you next time.